I'm very confident because the way UAE has handled the crisis in containing the corona is remarkable. If we look at the countries around the world, they are still struggling. Look at India, look at UK, look at USA. They don't know, they're still figuring out how to go about, whereas UAE is almost out of the crisis. What happens is, when people have not traveled for so many months, they are looking for a destination. They want to go somewhere out. Like we in UAE also, we want to go somewhere out. So everybody is eyeing on Dubai. People, all the neighboring countries, they want to come to Dubai because they feel everybody is enjoying in Dubai. Dubai is a safe place. So people are very happy to see the way Dubai is progressing and they want to come over here. Automatically, the whole situation changes over here. What Dubai requires, major two business which Dubai thrives on is tourism and real estate construction. Now, if a lot of people start coming in over here, which I am expecting a huge influx of people coming here during November, December and January, in which case all the hotels will be full, all the restaurants will be full, there will be a lot of events which are going to happen because last 4-5 months there was no event. So that way, by majority the hospitality industry is taken care of and that business is back in business. Also, the other point is the real estate sector which I am talking about. Today people have realized that number one, Dubai is a very safe place to live in because of the way the whole thing is being handled over here. Second thing, the property prices today are very, very low in this market. And to add on this, we have an interest rate, which is we are talking about 2.5% to 3% you can take a mortgage loan. If you combine all together, where you get an interest rate which is good, the property price account, I expect a lot of investors coming and investing in UAE market, and that will rebound the real estate market also. I personally believe that by the first quarter or latest by the second quarter of 2021, Dubai or UAE will be back in business, rolling in business, people will be having their jobs back. This year, yes, it has been difficult. I wouldn't say it's not been difficult, but surprisingly, and we are still in a very better situation compared to many other industries or compared to many of our competitors. The reason why I feel, because the construction industry was not affected much and there was still construction happening, not in the full scale as it was happening before, but it was still happening. So the business went on, and because of the motivation of the staff, we were able to bring in still a little more business from the market compared to what other competition could do it. So as far as Danube is concerned, I would say we are very well placed, and by the year end, we are confident that we'll come out with some very good numbers, which I would thank my stars and Almighty and all the people working around us, that how we have managed to pull out this crisis. I mean, the first half I can already see that we have done extremely good in this COVID crisis.